Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add thread link in Instagram bio. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first we need to open Threads app in our device. Then we need to click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. And here we can see our Threads account. From here, tap on share profile. And then copy your Threads account link as shown here. After that, we need to get out of our Threads app and then open our Instagram app. After that, click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. From here, select Edit Profile and then select Links. After that, tap on Add External Links. Here, we just need to paste the link we copied from Threads app in URL. After that, rename the title as Threads and then select Done. Now go back to your profile, and as you can see, your Threads link is added in your Instagram bio.